ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Drunk all oh, come on now, you all don't feel like that.
All right, kids, here we go. So, doing a pop test with the JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam. Haven't done this in a while. This is the build that we just did today. This is the I call it the Super B. So we got the Mr. Copper motors on there. We got the Fury fucking frame. I printed this canopy. It's got a Betaflight F4 flight controller in it. And let's make sure everything's okay. Yeah, and that's about it. So and it's got the Bolt 35 amp 32-bit BL Heli S. Let's see what she does. I don't expect this to be nightmare fast. It's a heavy bird, but it's freestyle bird. So let's find out. Nice. I like it. Bugs out here bad. Damn. All right. Looks good. I like it. Got some wind on that sucker. All right, I'd call that a success. Woo! Nice and smooth. I like it. So there you go, kids. JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam of the Super B. All right, rock and roll. Take care. Keep shiny side up. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.